Hi, I'm Sarah. This is Abel Fazl. We're both the WIDA Fellows for 2025, and we are here talking with Mike Karras about his course at the WorldCon conference in San Diego. So, could you give us a little bit of background on yourself and your work experiences?
Sure. So I got my start surveying, land surveying, 30 years ago in the Marine Corps, and from that I went into the civilian profession and have background in civil engineering. Have a civil engineering associate's degree and a bachelor's degree in business, and spent 34 years or more in the profession from surveying, civil engineering, and construction. Uh, Prior to my role here at Trimble, which I've been at for 10 years, I was an independent consultant where I trained, supported art, we call it the AEC industry, or the architectural engineering and construction industry, on how to implement and develop, or really implement technology. So whether it's CAD software or GPS technology into their processes and workflows. So my role at Trimble, last 10 years, I started as a software sales rep, educating and supporting our dealer channel. And then 3 years ago, took on a channel manager role. So I managed three of our distribution channels from the total Trimble portfolio. And now I'm the America's Trimble Marine Construction Sales Manager. So I manage our entire distribution channel for marine construction across the Americas. So kind of get you where I'm at here.
Yeah, great. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
So your course at WorldCon is called The Importance of Guidance Systems in Dredging and Construction Operations. So could you tell us a bit more about what your course is focused on and what you're going to be teaching?
Yeah. So we're going to cover basically a pretty broad range of key topics. Um, we'll start with the introduction to guidance. I mean, guidance is important for basically providing precision, efficiency, and safety. So we'll kind of start there, and we'll look at the principles of guidance technology. So how GNS works and how it's applied to the marine market or marine projects. We'll look at how it affects, or why it's needed for real-time data acquisition. um, then we'll kind of look at the importance of the 3D models. So it's important within this industry to understand, one, how to create the models and how they're used and implemented into the workflows. Um, and then we'll look at some of the systems uh, on the machinery for marine construction, whether it's dredging or diking or material placement, in the on the construction projects.
Great. Yeah. And do you have sort of an intended audience that you would really center this course towards, or do you have any people that you're specifically focused on?
Really, I'm trying to keep it as broad range of disciplines. So I would say anybody who's a professional at a dredging company, a marine construction firms, coastal engineering consultants, um, surveying or hydrographic services, or even government agencies overseeing maritime projects. If I was to look at the industries, obviously the dredging industry, of course, especially for the conference, civil engineering on marine projects, offshore construction, hydrographic surveying, and environmental management companies. So
Great, thank you. Course again is called The Importance of Guidance Systems in Dredging and Construction Operations. It's on Thursday, the 26th of June, and it is $200, and you get 4 professional development hours as a result.